Hey everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is one of my favorite videos to film for you guys to share. And you guys know, if you've watched my channel for a while, every Christmas, every Easter, and every birthday for my girls, I share what we gave them for whatever the holiday or the event is. And so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing what we are giving our 9-year-old daughter for her birthday. And if you want to see any of the previous videos that I've done for her birthday or her sister's birthday, I will have my gift giving playlist in the description box for you guys. Every Easter, Christmas, or birthday gift video I've made will be in that playlist. And so that way you'll have the gift ideas from today, and then you can go back and watch the other videos and get even more gift ideas for the kids in your life. They each are getting 4 gifts for their birthday. I know some people think that's too much, and a lot of people will say that's way too little. But first of all, we were coming off of Christmas. They do not really need anything else. And second of all, I talked about this back before the Christmas videos went out, that we really try to keep the number of gifts to a minimum. And to a minimum is, you know, a term that's relative to the person. So what I think is to a minimum might not be what you think is to a minimum, but that's okay. To me, this is to a minimum. This is keeping it down. This is like reining myself in and saying, no, Becky, she does not need, you know, 14 birthday presents. This is really just a nice amount of things that I think she'll actually use and enjoy. That's my disclaimer for this video. Of course, I will link everything for you guys. So let's get into the gift ideas. So the first thing is, and if you guys, how many times I gotta say guys in this video? If y'all have seen my other videos recently, you know that my girls are really obsessed with Silly Putty and squishies. I think the whole world is obsessed with squishies right now. Anything that's like scented and, you know, slow rising or anything like that, I think is really a big trend right now. And I got this kit for her from Target. Now, I was a little hesitant to get this because me and the girls watch Mariah Elizabeth's YouTube channel every week, and all she does is like squishy makeovers. And anytime she's had one of these color your own squishy kits, she's always said they were terrible. I never have seen her review this particular one, and the reviews of this one on Target.com were pretty good. So I'm taking a gamble on this. It may be the worst mistake I've ever made because maybe all this marker is going to come off. I don't know. Or we could also do what Mariah does. She gets like puffy paint from the craft store and she paints them instead of using markers. So we have a couple options. I'm fine if she wants to use the markers. I'll be happy to go out and get the puffy paint stuff if that's what she wants to do. But you get 4 squishies. You get a donut, a cake, a cupcake, and an ice cream cone. And this cute little box. And let me know if you guys do this. When you have a cute box or a cute folder, when I was a kid, and I still do this, I will cut out a strip of it and laminate it and make it into a bookmark. I don't know why, but I do. So that is going to be a bookmark, I know, in our future. But that I got from Target. It was really inexpensive, and I actually got this before Christmas, but I think they still have it, so I'll link it for you. Another thing I got from Target, and almost everything came from Target this year, is this. And again, I got this before Christmas, but I believe you can still get it from their website. It is the Squeezamals Black Box Mystery Kit. If you don't know what a Squeezamal is, it is a squishy that is a plush, like a stuffed animal. So it's soft on the outside, but there is still slow rising squishiness on the inside. So it's basically a stuffed animal that is a slow rise squishy. This one's really neat because you get 6 characters, and it shows you kind of your possibilities here on the back. But you don't know who you're going to get. You just know that you're going to get 3 of the 3.5 inch, 3 of the 1.5 inch. So you don't know which ones. So that is from Target. And then if you watched my what we gave her for Christmas video, you would have seen these Crayola Scribble Scrubbies. I got her a small pack for her stocking. It's these little white, kind of felty, fuzzy little animals that you color with markers and decorate, kind of like the Doodle Bears. If anybody remembers a Doodle Bear that you could draw on and wash it off. It's the same concept. This one actually comes with a little bathtub, which we really don't have room for. But anyway, it's got 12 pet figurines, 12 markers, and the bathtub. So once you color on them, you use the little brush and some water and it washes off. And I really kind of didn't think it was going to work, but the one she got for her stocking, it does work. And she liked it so much, she actually requested the bigger set. And this is the biggest set I could find. It said it was an Amazon exclusive, so I don't know if it really is, but it did come from Amazon. So they probably still have it, or you can look other places, you know, too. But this one did come specifically from Amazon. And the next thing, and don't ask me why this child is obsessed with onesies right now, like one-piece pajama sets. I don't know. I don't get it. I got her one before Christmas. She loves it, and I can't even keep it clean. Like, she wears, I'm like, you've got to take this thing off so I can wash it. So she only does have the one, and like every time we go somewhere like Kohl's or somewhere, she'll say, I wonder if they have any onesies. So I don't really understand what the obsession is with this. My only stipulation for her, like the one that I bought her before that she knows about, and then of course this one, is to get the ones that do not have the feet, like footed ones, because I remember, I don't know if I had one as a kid, but it seems like I did, because I remember having something with feet, and then you start outgrowing it and your toes start like curling up at the end. So that's kind of my only rule. If she wants to have a onesie, at least get the ones that don't have feet. Well, she's really into My Little Pony, thankfully, again. We've been through so many rounds of My Little Pony between both girls. This one came from Target. It is a My Little Pony onesie. It's really long and I can't show you all at once, but it's got like clouds on the legs and then of course Rainbow Dash on the front, and then when you put the hood on, it's got the little ears and the colorful mane. So I think she'll really like that. And it's funny because I've had this one for about a month, and just the other day she's like, I need another onesie, and I was like, oh, it's almost your birthday. So I didn't tell her that, but so I think she'll really like that. Okay, so those are her 4 gifts that she's getting for her birthday. Now I do have some other stuff I want to share with you guys that's going to be kind of a mixture of homeschool reward store items. She may get one for Easter in her Easter basket, just various reasons. I like to have little things kind of held back for different rewards, different occasions, birthday parties, you know, party favors, things like that. So if you guys watched my, I think it was my gift guide preview I did before Christmas, I shared with you guys some squishies that I got for the girls from banggood.com, and they went nuts for those. So I thought it would be really fun to get some more. We need to really replenish our homeschool reward store. It's been looking pretty bare lately, and I know these are going to be some great things to add to it. So I thought I would just share these in this video in case you are looking for some more gift ideas. I thought it'd be fun to share. Okay, so they're all unwrapped now, and like I said back in that video back in November, I really like getting the girl squishies from banggood.com because they are super, super inexpensive. And they have such a huge variety of squishies. So it just is an easy way to go. The girls like to get on there and like add a bunch of stuff to the cart, and then every once in a while I'll go and like buy certain ones that they wanted for different occasions. So the first one, and I personally think this one's really weird, but my youngest daughter loved this hedgehog. Look how big he is. He's like huge. She got a giant squishy donut for Christmas, and this is not quite as big as that, but he's so fat. But he is very squishy and slow rising. She wanted him. I don't really know why, but she likes him, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this one because she likes it so much. I feel like it needs to be a higher value gift, so maybe it'll go in her Easter basket. I don't know, but we do have the little hedgehog. Both girls also wanted one of the squishy s'mores, so I may save these for their Easter baskets too, just since there's 2 of them. These are really so slow rising and squishy too, so those are really cute. I love those. And then there is a, what is this called? A jelly roll. So it's really soft and fun to play with. And then we have a little waffle with a pat of butter on it. It's really cute. And we have some cherry pie. That reminds me of the song, and I'm going to be thinking that song all day. And then we have this little deer cake. They had a couple of the different like cake animal styles, so that was one of the ones that one of the girls wanted. And then this little dumpling. It's really tiny, not tiny, but it's small compared to the other ones, and it's really cute. And then a little bunny, which my youngest daughter wanted. And then the last little guy is this little, I guess it's a hamster. So he's really cute and chubby. I think my youngest daughter wanted that one too. So that is everything that came from banggood.com. So those are the gifts that we're getting her for her 9th birthday, and then just some other suggestions to throw in there that we're going to be using in the homeschool reward store and for Easter baskets and things like that. So everything I shared will be in the description box below for you guys with links, as well as a link to my gift giving playlist. So like I said, if you want to go back and watch any of my previous gift guide videos, there's tons of them to give you some ideas for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Easter, anything you need a gift for. I think you'll find some great recommendations in that playlist. So make sure you check it out. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I really like to be on there as much as possible. That's the easiest way for me to communicate with you guys. Either by comments on my posts, or you guys will direct message me, and I always try to get back with you. So make sure that you're following me on Instagram. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every single week when I upload new videos. and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.